Hello, this is Monty Ray. Thank you for joining me. Today I'd like to talk about how to prepare for a stock market crash. Since it's impossible to predict what kind of inflation will predominate in the future, it's best to be prepared for both currency inflation and credit inflation. The latter invariably results in stock market crashes, so that you can make ongoing corrections in your portfolio as reality unfolds. Subscribe to the No History, No Liberty newsletter to get the latest updates on this important issue. Below are some of my recommendations as of June 2012. It's important to accumulate cash. A strong cash position of, say, 25 to 30% will enable you to take advantage of opportunities to buy assets at historically cheap prices when all markets eventually and inevitably collapse. As you approach that day, increase your cash position accordingly. Also, I recommend having enough folding money to service debt and pay expenses for a year. Buy bonds. Also, it would be wise to buy some very short-term U.S., Australian, Singapore, and Swiss government bonds, which could be rolled over to take advantage of much higher interest rates. How much of your liquid assets should you invest in this manner? However much you feel comfortable with. This is an individual situation. You should avoid real estate. Real estate is a thing whose value will plummet along with every other thing or asset in a hyperdeflation, as seen in the stock market crash of 2009. You should avoid all real estate investments right now and try to own your home free and clear. If you are now renting, continue to do so. An exception is rental real estate, on which you are dependent for income. As home ownership declines, the demand for rental property will increase. It's important to look forward. You can buy anything that you want for pennies on the dollar after the crash. A deflationist's manifesto is, raise cash now to preserve your purchasing power. So what should you do? Before you make a crucial error in judgment, subscribe to my No History, No Liberty newsletter, or at least read my free report, The 7 Mistakes Investors Will Make in the New Economy. Both are available at monetaryterrorism.com. Thank you for joining me today. To learn more about today's topic, go to monetaryterrorism.com.